Yeah. Hey, you know we got bands to get out the city, just imagine it. So I be in the hills and you a bad one. Yeah, I be in the hills and you my bad one. You know we got a pack to flip. Now we riding in the baddest whip.
What do you want to do?
Okay, so we're gonna do a little trivia for you, okay?
Alright.
So guys, if you guys don't know, this is the rich Asian. He has the 10-speed GT500 swap 5.0. And then this is the Cobra, okay? So shine some light for me for the one time. So what's this called?
I don't know.
You know, what do you think it is?
It's a timing belt.
Okay, kind of close. What's this thing right here?
I don't know, but it's making sounds like a whining.
Okay. What's this, bruh?
It's a battery.
Okay, at least you knew what that was.
It's a radio. I don't know.
I mean, he kind of got it right.
I know what it is, but I forgot what.
Okay, what is this?
I don't.
Alright, you don't know? Alright, what's this?
Yo, is that a fuse box or no?
What?
What?
What's up, guys? So today we're doing something a little bit different on today's video. We actually have a subscriber's 3-valve GT California special in for some work. We're going to be installing some Shorty BBK headers. I'll show you them. They're right here, guys. So headers are obviously a common upgrade on a lot of cars. These are Shorty headers, so they're not going to make a big difference, but they are going to enough of a difference to make a sound difference and a power difference. Obviously, it's recommended to tune everything. As you can see, this one has a BBK intake, but like I said, guys, we're going to be doing some headers on this car. So we're going to be taking off the mid pipe, and we'll keep you guys updated. All right, guys, we're going to meet up with the boy Eder, but as you can see, we have the cars in the driveway and my buddy Ryan, who is a subscriber of the channel's 3-valve in the garage. So let's get back to that. We're gonna be opening a new box, which does include some special parts for the Cobra. I know it's something not necessary, but we got a package from Max Speeding Rods, which they are a popular coilover company. So let's go look at these new coilovers. It's got normal gray ones. They had other colors, but I just wanted something simple. Obviously the color would be cool, but it's all good for me. Oh, these things are wrapped up. All right, let's see. Dang, coilovers for the Cobra, guys. So I know the suspension wasn't necessary, but we are going to be doing a lot more stuff to the Cobra, and we're going to be needing to upgrade the suspension, and especially because we're going to be doing a K-member. So we have a lot of new parts, guys. These are for the rear. As you guys know, it has a IRS, but let's take a look. These are just their normal gray ones. We got caster camber plates on the front, big ones, but we got fully adjustable Max Speeding Rods coilovers for the Cobra, which I'm very excited about. So we can finally have some adjustable suspension. As you guys know, these actually look very good for the price and everything. So we'll see how they ride. They'll probably run a little rough, but that's normal to be expected, especially with coilovers. That's just the nature of them usually. So yeah, check them out and we should be good to go. And those are the spanner tool to adjust the height of them. And yeah, that's cool. So we'll let you guys know in a little bit, and let's continue fixing the 3-valve and getting it loud again. All right, guys, so what we've done right now is we're getting the driver's side header out, but pretty much you guys are gonna loosen the motor mount bracket bolts that go from here, and on the other side, same thing. They're 13mm bolts. You just ratchet them right there, and well, actually, you guys are going to just impact it out right there. Take out the steering shaft right there, which is a 13 on there, and looks like we got the driver's side manifold out, and we're going to be replacing that with the BBK. All right, so here is the factory. Oh, they're kind of heavy. Factory style manifold for Ford, and let's compare it to the BBK. I don't know which one's which, but we'll find out soon enough. I believe that is the same setup, and as you can see, it looks much better. Obviously, Shorty headers are more different. They're going to be tubed differently. So this one actually looks way more efficient than obviously the stock manifold. So you should get some extra sound and some extra power. So let's continue the rest of the video. We pretty much made a lot of progress on this car. We were doing BBK Shorty headers. So as you can see, They are shiny and polished right there. Not super hard, pretty straightforward as long as you guys have good tools that are very compact. That's honestly the best thing you can do. So we're gonna see his reaction when we get it all started up. Hopefully it's a little bit louder. Obviously Shorty headers aren't going to be as loud as like the long tube headers, but all right, here we go guys. Start up with the new Shorty headers. Sounds good. Beefier for sure. There's a smoke. What do you think? Sounds cool? Yeah, it's deep. It's a little louder, yeah. What's up guys? So today we just picked up a wheel lock key because I haven't been able to find it for the Cobra. But today we are going to be installing the Lethal Performance fuel system. Repping the Lethal Performance. And like I said guys, I'm not going to show you guys what, I don't know when I'll drop this video. Did you see what this fool just did? Well, we're gonna be installing the Lethal Performance fuel system on the Cobra finally. Some big stuff finally, which has been taking a while. So we'll update you guys and we're gonna take some stuff off. What's up guys? So today, like I was explaining earlier, we are gonna be installing the fuel system and I'm very excited. This is one of the pieces to the puzzle. And right now what we're gonna be doing is dropping the tank. And I'd like to give a big shout out to the Lethal Performance team because if it weren't for them, we wouldn't have gotten our hands on their fuel system, which is chilling on the shelf right here. So we're gonna be installing that and then we will update you guys as we are just dropping the tank. And then when we get into more logistics and doing the super hard part of the install, we'll get to you guys on that. But please enjoy the rest of the video. Hey look, are these... Look at the tires, man. They're still good. The tires are still good. The tires? Yeah. Probably. All right, guys. So we got a package from UPR Products. I'm very excited. As you guys know, we are currently doing some stuff to the Cobra. And you guys might already know what this is. I'm not too sure if anyone knows, but let's just unbox it. You guys will find out right now. This is their tubular K-member for the car. Oh shoot, we got Viking adjustable coilovers as well. Their whole system, guys. Like, I want to give a big shout out to Sharad from UPR Products because if it weren't for him, we wouldn't be looking at this box right here. So I'm very excited, guys. This is a UPR tubular K-member, and essentially it just holds the motor and holds the arms out. So it's gonna make putting long tubes on and everything a lot easier. And I'm super excited about this stuff. So we'll take it out and we'll let you guys know. So they do have K-members that are made to use with just the spring perch, but we're just upgrading to a coilover system anyways. So that's gonna be better for us in the end. And obviously having adjustable suspension, it might run a little rougher, but at the end of the day, we're losing so much weight, guys. Obviously with the K-member, you guys actually lose about 70 pounds with this unit compared to the stock one up front. So you guys will save a lot of weight as well. You guys really got to check out their stuff because they really know their stuff when it comes down to this. And the UPR for the Cobras in particular, the K-member, you don't need to relocate the oil location bracket, and on top of that, it'll clear big long tube headers. I have 1 7/8 long tube headers, and with the other systems they wouldn't clear because the actual tubes would hit. So this is by far one of the only kits that can clear those long tube headers, which is very important. So here are the arms for the car. Yeah, those are the arms. Got some grease, but we should be all good. If you guys made it to the end of the video, I really appreciate it. As you can see, we have the Cobra that's behind me, and we are doing so much stuff to it right now. So it's gonna be down for a little bit, but like I said, guys, it's gonna come back to the channel. I haven't forgotten about it. It's gonna come back a lot stronger and harder, and it will not disappoint. I'm really looking forward to showing you guys because it's been such a big thing that I've been waiting for. But yeah, this is the car right now. I have the fuel tank dropped. I will continue the rest of the fuel installation video probably in the next one. And so please stay tuned, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, I'd really appreciate it if you guys can like and subscribe. And with that, we will catch you guys in the next one, and have a great day.
Ride with me in my S550. Slide with me, it's alright with me. Time flies when we ride through the city. Watch me drop a gear and disappear. Gotta thank the Lord that I made it here. See the opposition when he's in the rear.